I'm Andreas Prins, Chief Product Officer here at StackState. StackState is a company that helps other companies to do troubleshooting. And then more in particular, troubleshooting applications that run on Kubernetes. And let me explain why that is important. As you know, there are many dashboarding tools. They help you to understand or actually to see what's going on your cluster. But do they really help you to troubleshoot the issues that your application face? That's the question. And that's exactly where StackState is. With so many signals going on, what are the signals that matter the most and what are the signals that help you understand what's happening? What StackState does is it takes the signals, and for each of the signals there is what we call a remediation guide. Remediation guide, you might wonder, exactly. Because regular software developers should focus on software development. They don't have all the knowledge of the Kubernetes cluster itself. And that's exactly in that layer between the application and Kubernetes where StackState helps you out. You have a signal and a remediation guide, and the remediation guide helps you step by step to go through the issue, take a look at the logs, at the events, at the metrics, and then really determine what the cause of the issue is. And then, obviously, to troubleshoot. And that's how StackState helps you to scale Kubernetes towards all of your software development teams. No more the burden to your SREs or the platform teams, but empower the software teams to do it themselves. So the challenges people face these days is that there are a lot of signals. Where do you need to look at? Slow services, for example, error rates going through the roof, or performance degradation, and how do you determine what matters? Well, StackState has out-of-the-box monitors, and these are policies or practices, if you like, that detect many of these issues. The other challenge is you might see something at the service level, but the cause of the issue is deeper down in your stack, a pod, a container, or something like that. And how do you know that these are related to each other? You need to understand how components relate, and that's another challenge where teams suffer with. Another big challenge that the teams face is if you have multiple development teams working on the same application, how do services communicate with each other and what are the dependencies? If you don't know the dependencies that well, you might end up looking at the symptom rather than the cause of the issue. So it's the knowledge, it's seeking the signals versus the causes of the issues, and then super important as well is how do you remediate? Do you have all the knowledge of regular common issues that occur? Most of the time engineers struggle with that, and that is what StackState has encoded in their solution.